baklas ng valve cover. Ito na yung sitwasyon. Oil sludge, ang kapal. Tapos ito, mixed branding of oils, and then worn out oil, hindi pag i-change oil agad. Hindi masyadong pinapahinit yung makina, napatay agad. Yan. Chocolate.